everyone, it's Dragon21 here. Today we are going to be reacting to guava juice, eat it or wear it challenge. This is my first reaction video because I don't have a good camera. Anyways, yeah, the quality is better because I'm doing it on my living room TV. Apparently my room sucks. Why didn't you guys tell me this in the comment section? Anyways, it's going to be a good video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So, let's get down!
What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to do the Eat It or Wear It challenge with my good friend, Marius Page. Here's what we're going to do. We have 5 different meals, okay? And we have 30 seconds to eat each meal. Whoever eats the most of the meal, the loser has to wear whatever is left on his plate and the opponent's plate. So, I'm excited. I'm hungry. I'm really hungry. I'm really hungry. No, you don't eat that much. No, I don't eat that much. You don't eat that much. Today I'm a little hungry. Today I'm a little hungry. Me too. Okay, good. Okay. So guys, this is Curious Feet. Check them out on YouTube if you haven't. At Curious Feet. You ready for this? I am. Alright, the first course, we gotta start with breakfast. Breakfast! I love breakfast! What better way to start breakfast than with cereal? Cereal! I don't think you're ready for this. I love cereal. Yeah, I know you love cereal. I know you do. Alright guys, here we go. So breakfast, we have 30 seconds to eat this, or else someone's gonna wear it. Not me. So we're gonna use the microwave for a timer. So 30 seconds on the clock. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm frozen. 20 seconds, please. Oh! I can't even swallow the first bite. I'm legit joking. Wait. Wait, was it supposed to follow some kind of directions? No. I definitely ate more than you, bro. What are you doing? I definitely ate a lot more. No! It's not that!
Oh my god.
You were white today? Yeah, so you could like... I'm clean right now. I'm hoping to be clean the whole time. Breakfast is over. Let's move on to snack. Snack before lunch. Or lunch. Let's do lunch. Alright guys, we have some chicken wings. Round 2 for lunchtime, so... You love chicken wings. I love chicken wings. I love chicken wings. Alright, 30 seconds on the microwave. 3, 2, 1, go. What? No, dude. What? How do you eat 4? I just finished my first one. I haven't even started my second one.
We're making it all colorful.
Oh, man.
There we go. We'll leave that one in there for the whole time.
Ooh.
You like that grace? Oh, it's great.
I'm still eating my first one. Alright, round 3. We have some dinner. Dinner
already?
Dinner, yeah.
We just had lunch.
So we have some lasagna. Or lasagna, wherever country you're from. This is a dish that's very messy. It's really hot. So let's split it in half.
Okay.
Alright guys, so this lasagna just came out of the oven. Yep. So it's extremely hot right now.
This is a warm premiere.
Might go down for this one. You might go down for this. You might go down for this one. You might go down.
I see what you're doing. Trying to distract me.
Yeah! 30 seconds on the microwave. And go.
So hot.
So hot. It is so hot. My tongue's burning. I don't care. There's a hole in my tongue right now. I don't care.
How do you?
So, who won?
Yeah! I love being the guest. Are you sure you Not bad. Kind of like,
She seems to be having a good time over there.
so awesome.
Oh, my scalp is burning now. My scalp is burning. My scalp is burning. This is so dumb.
So tough.
Who thought of this idea? Why are you here? Can I get a new opponent, please? Alright, for the dessert, we have some
Donuts.
powdered donuts! 6 powdered donuts each. We have 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. What you got now, me? What you got now? Exactly, you dirty. How come your shirt is so white? Why is your shirt so white? Oh, come on, man. What?
That's fun.
What? I don't understand what you're saying. Ah!
I don't understand that.
Oh, okay, I feel you, bro. Thank you.
There you go.
Oh, it's fine. I definitely wanted this. It's just like
Yeah, you'll put some right here too.
it's like the new foundation nowadays. So,
Yeah.
Yo, Kylie Jenner, what you got on this, dude?
That's right.
Yeah, come over here. Challenge us.
Yeah, get a little bit on the cheek.
Yeah, there we go.
I think we need to like cleanse our palate a little bit, you know?
Yeah, I feel you. What do you have in mind?
Something a little more healthy.
Like a fruit?
Yeah.
How are you doing that? I got 4. Yeah, I got 5. This is my eyeball.
I think I lost this round.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You know what that means? Yeah!
I will take
Yeah,
it.
please take it.
Give me some more.
Yeah, you want some more? Yes, sir.
In the eye.
Okay. Alright guys, that marks the end of today's Eat It or Wear It challenge. Special thanks to Pete for joining me.
It was fun.
Yes, sir. Not messy at all, right?
No, not at all. I mean, you should eat off the floor, clean it up with that mouse.
Nah. And I'll see you guys next time. Stay goofy.
So guys, that was eat it or wear it challenge by Guava Juice. Go subscribe to him and the other guy, I forgot what his name is. You freaking idiot. Anyways, hope you enjoyed and put in the comment section below any videos you want me to react to. Boy, come at me, haters. Yeah. Okay. This video's gotten weird enough. I should just end it. See you later, guys. Let your inner dragon fly and peace out, baby.